Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 safely remove hardware icon disappeared. First method is type right click start button, click run. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click View, click Show Hidden Devices. Click and expand disk drives. Right-click your USB drive, click Uninstall. Click Action, click Scan for hardware changes. Third method is, right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.